Hi, welcome to my channel. This week we're starting the videos with a Wilkinson Pall Mall. It's a superb 7-day set in great condition. All 7 blades are intact. I'm just restoring them at the moment. Okay. So the leather bound case, really nice condition all the way around, and the base. It's got a discreet concealed button there which you press to open the box, and there you can see it says the Wilkinson Pall Mall, and there we have it. Now some of you might think that this is an instrument of torture, but it's actually a gold-plated instrument of torture. It's a 7-day kit. That just dropped out there was the blade holder for stropping the blade. This is the actual handle itself. As I say, it's gold-plated and the handle is made from ivory. This contraption here is basically, it holds your blade, your strap goes through in and out the other way, other side, and then you move your blade up and down the strap and it straps it. You've got all the blades here, 7 blades with all the days of the week. This Monday's blade is already in the handle. So, made around 1920 apparently. So this screws, you can pivot the head up and down, and then it locks into place by turning the ivory handle. There we go. And to fit the blade in, you simply push this lever here, push it in, and the blade just clicks into position and is held in position with these 2 points there and there. You can just see. So I'm going to get rid of this goatee. Get rid of the goatee for summer. You use it virtually as you would a Rolls or another Wilkinson. You virtually flat to your face. But it's taking that beard off a treat. This example was in a really good condition. It's almost new. I don't know if you can see, but that little thing there, you can actually see it rolling, rotating there. Yeah, it's just demolished my goatee. The blade is made from the best Sheffield steel. And as you can see, it's quite sharp. The blade has got a chamfer as well to the back, if you can see that. Got a nice bevel to it, and it's almost a wedge. It's a wedge design, that. Nice piece of metal. Okay, that's a shave test over for the Wilkinson Pall Mall. Beautiful razor. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later on this week. Bye for now.